As we know that nervous system can be divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The first question that comes to our mind is that why is it called as peripheral nervous system? So it is so because it manages the information from outside the body by reading stimulus. The peripheral nervous system basically comprises of a network of different nerves that runs throughout the head, neck and the complete body. In human beings, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves which arise from the brain and cover the organs in the head region, whereas there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves that arise from the spinal cord and cover all the organs below the head region. While cranial nerves are responsible for head and neck sensation and movement, the spinal nerves on the other hand on each side of the vertebral column can be grouped as cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal. Now, the peripheral nervous system can be divided into two major branches, that is the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls all the voluntary movement through the receptors and sense organs that detect changes in the environment, such as temperature, light, pressure, etc. The somatic nervous system consists of two major types of neurons, that is sensory neurons and the motor neurons. The sensory neurons are also known as afferent neurons. They carry sensory information from the body to the central nervous system, whereas the motor neurons, they are also known as efferent neurons. They carry the motor information from the central nervous system to muscle fibers throughout the body. For example, we feel hot when we touch a cup of hot coffee or tea. Similarly, there is autonomic nervous system, which can be divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system basically controls the involuntary movements of our body. For example, such as breathing, beating of heart, etc. So this was all about the peripheral nervous system in human beings.